Happy International Take Your Chicken Fishing Day. You know what today is?
April 2nd.
Oh, it's International Take Your Chicken Fishing Day. Oh, fuck, I just hit my foot.
Right over your toe.
Yeah, damn it. Paying attention is cool. Uh-oh. Is that a two? This is a 1 and a 7/8.
1 7/8. Okay. Shit. Did you have one of those?
Is this a 2-inch? It must be. Yeah, I got one.
That's the smallest ball I got.
Okay. I might have one on the receiver already. Do you have the key?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Just let me see what I got first. Okay. Because we might do a receiver swap or we might do a ball swap.
Okay.
Hey, Aaron, I'm going fishing. Are you going fishing too?
Yes, I'm going fishing too.
We are on the curvy, swervy road. Hey, Aaron, there's something in the lake.
Is it possible water?
Yeah, it's water in the lake. Damn it, Aaron, you're always hooking up first.
It's the famous stick fish.
Yeah, I think that one's over slot. You can't even bring it in the boat. We gotta release it.
It's too big. Yeah, we gotta release it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, go make babies.
Hey, gently.
Yeah, make sure it's got some kick to it before you let it go. Did you push the button to record?
Yep.
All right, got our first fish hooked up. There we go. Ooh, it's feisty. Show me, not the water.
Let's drop down deep.
There we go. Oh, it's a bass.
Oh, look at him.
There we go.
Yeah, baby.
I was hoping for a trout.
That's a nice bass.
Take that. Fish lit grit. Not bad, huh?
That's looking good.
About a 15-inch fish. Let's let it go. They have really good breath. It's always a good idea to give them a sniff before you let it go. Hey, are you guys fishing?
Yes.
Oh, that's cool. We're fishing too. Hey, do you guys have any chicken?
Chicken? What do you mean?
Today's International Take Your Chicken Fishing Day. Okay, April 3rd, International Take Your Chicken Fishing Day. They don't have chicken, so we're gonna share. There's some barbecue chicken.
Okay, thank you.
One leg, one thigh.
Thank you.
All right, cool,
Thank
guys.
you.
All right, guys. It's good stuff.
What's your name?
Stay fishy. My name's Derek.
Sean.
John, nice to meet you.
That's nice.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Nice to meet you.
Me and chicken fishing, making friends.